Hi everyone. My name is Prajwal Aute, and today we will discuss about movie recommendation system uh, with the help of or using Python. So basically, what is recommendation system? Recommendation system is a filtration program whose prime goal is to predict the rating or preference of users towards the specific domain. In our case, this domain is a movie. So in that, basically there are two types of movie filtration strategies. And the first one is a content based, and the second one is a collaborative. So we will use collaborative in this our project or so in this collaborative filtering, the filtration strategy is based on the data provides about the items, or the algorithm recommends products that are similar to the ones that a user has liked in the past. So this similarity is computed from data we have about the items as well as users past preferences. So for example, if a user likes some movies such as the Prestige, then we can recommend him the movies Christian Bale or movies with the genre thriller. So in simple words, when someone likes a Golmaal movie, then our we will recommend him same type of genre movie like Hera Fairy or some other comedy movie like Golmaal 2 or Dhamal. So first we will see. So we will to our coding session. So I write it all. So and all are run commands. So it takes not much as time. So basically, first we will import our necessary libraries that are pandas. Then we will import NumPy. Then SkyPy for CSR matrix because we will use that in our project so or system. Then we will import sklearn or then matplotlib and seaborn library. So first of all we will import our dataset which will be downloaded from some data science websites. So basically the first one we import or read CSV movies dataset, then the rating dataset which are our two attributes. So basically after that importing our dataset, we will check our dataset is imported or not. So basically we will use a head command. So with the help of head command, uh, we will see our first 5 rows of our dataset. Here you will see there are three attributes. The first one is user ID, then movie ID, rating. So user ID is unique for each user. Then movie ID is using this feature. We can take the title of movies from movie dataset and rating given by user to all movies using with going to predict the top 10 similar movies. So here we will see movies head and there are 5 movies with their genre. So in our final data set, uh, so basically we will see many data set has some null values. So we will replacing or some empty spaces. So before that we will uh, working on that and we will using pivot we will replace that empty space with nan means so and with this nan we will replace with 0 to make things understandable for algorithm and also making the data more eye shooting. So here we will see our final data set where our null values will be replaced by 0. So in this real world ratings are very sparse and data points are mostly collected from very popular movies and highly engaged users. So we wouldn't want movies that they were rated by small number of users because it's not credible. So here we will use two filters to qualify our movie. minimum 10 users should have voted a movie. And second filter is to qualify a user, minimum 50 movies should have voted by the user. So here we will give some suggestion, and then after running this, uh, we will get output with the help of 2D plots. So in that plot we will see, let's visualize number of users who voted with our threshold of 10. So here are the plot. You will see number of users in y-axis and uh, movie id with x-axis. So making the necessary modification as per threshold set. Let's visualize the number of votes by user with our threshold of 50. So after that we will run this command, and then we will get next our graph or visualization. In that we will see number of votes by user and user id. So some users, hundred of users, mostly of users votes below the 500 movies, and some are in rare cases. Here is one dot which will the user of something between 400 and 500, it will voted or 2 point max 2.500 movies, which are basically really huge. Or most of time it will uh, consume on movies. So here we will see our final data set, and there is a user id in row and movie id in column. So in that our final data set has dimension 2 2121 into 378, where most of the values you will see most of the values are sparse. We are using only a small data set, but the original large data set of movie lens uh, has more than 10,000 1 lakh features. So system may run out. So here we will use for sparse data set. Here basically we will import, we will see in first our first cell we will import csr matrix. Here we will use our csr matrix to reduce the sparsity, and here is the example of that, of a csr matrix. Here simply we will it's a simple array of 003, and after we will implement CSR or using CSR matrix. Here we will see that array in very simple index form like 0 to like 0th row and second column the value is 3, and first column and first row and 0 column 4, means they are basically on lying on x-axis, and first column and first row and fourth column the value is 2. So after using csr matrix in our final data set, we will in that we will use cosine distance metric, which is very fast and preferable than person coefficient. So after we will importing knn and implement knn algorithm in our project on our data set. Here are the code. Here you will see we will apply knn algorithm, and after the implementation of define movie recommendation system, we will testing our project or our model with the help of get movie recommendation command. So first of all we will see iron man. So here we get top 10 movies similar like iron man. So our movie recommendation system work good as we hope. So this is our second get movie recommendation avengers, and here we will see there are top 10 movies like avengers. So I want to see you some real live project demo. So first of all we will run all the commands like run or head commands, then data set, which replaced by 0, and then our filters, then final, then we will use CSR matrix, then here we will code implement our model and get a movie recommendation. So